Today we are going to trying to fix a vacuum leak that I know this car has. I was driving it the other day, and I find out there's a hose right under that intake manifold there. I think a rat get into it or something and eat it. You're going to see better when I take all this out, but today we're pretty much going to be attacking that issue and then see what's going on with it. Or start taking shit out. Oh, that was. I think I found my issue now. Look at this thing. Looks like somebody was hungry. Oh, there's another one over there. What the hell is that one? Is that an oil line? There's like a hard line over there. There's another one over here. I might just take this whole intake out. It's pretty dirty over there too. Jesus. Look at that thing. That's so dirty. It's like, oh yeah, that's deep. Alright, let's clean all this. So I'm done with the lines, and let me show you this one. I'm just getting a brass adapter over there. You can see normal lines over there. On this one I was going to put just normal vacuum lines, but then I decided to put some fuel lines on it and reuse the clamps on it. Pretty nice and tight, looking clean. Look at this one over here. Yeah, there's some ways that you can take these clamps out and you can actually reuse them sometimes. And let me show you a trick for, like, if you see this over here, right? Sometimes the hose broke like right over there, and people will be like, oh, I need to buy the whole new thing. Let me show you what I finished doing. Here it is. So if you see, if you actually cut this like pretty, like, obviously I opened it, but I just did like a slow cut over there, just enough so I would just cut this part on the top. And when you do that, you will be able to actually look, that line over there is actually the same as that, used without that clamp over here on the top. So what I recommend is you can actually cut this over here slightly so you don't damage the bottom one, and just cut that, open it up, take it from the bottom, and it's going to be like just like a normal, like it will be like this one's pretty much, it's the same kind of line. When you open them up, you can actually, you know, replace that whatever you need, and you don't have to replace the whole line. So use a tip over there for, I know some few lines come like that too, and you can do the same thing, and then you can clamp it like a normal thing will be. Yeah, as you can see over there, that one does have a lot of pressure on it, but this one is the one that comes from the turbo. So yeah, I'm going to connect this over here. But yeah, that should be all for now. I want to put it back together, but I wasn't able to get the manifold gasket for today, so, and I'm definitely not using these ones back again. I know sometimes you can reuse some of this, but I'm not even trying. This thing is rusted. If it will be like brand new, I will still use it, but they're rusted. I'm definitely not trying to put all this back together and still leaks. So yeah, as you can see, I cleaned all this and now it looks pretty good. So definitely a lot better. Yeah, that should be all for today. Maybe I keep going tomorrow, I don't know, maybe I'll do one of my other cars, but alright, then that should be all for this one. I'm going to be doing the manifold tomorrow when the gaskets get here. I think I'm probably going to just divide this video right now, because I'm going to be finishing this up over there, just that quick stuff. And then I'm going to be doing the engine mounts on my A6. Yeah, next stuff is going to be doing the engine mount on this. I know that right side is like completely blown, so I'm going to finish that other one and finish doing this engine mount with this A6. But yeah, that should be all. See you on the next one.